Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a lemon angel food cake. Angel food cakes are known for their delicate, airy texture. They're an ideal dessert to serve when you want something a little bit lighter option. They're a simple cake to make, only requires a few ingredients and a few tools. So let's get started. Start with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated lemon zest. Rub the zest and sugar together between your fingers. Do this for about 30 seconds, then set the bowl off to the side. Add the lemon sugar you just made to 1 cup of cake flour and whisk well until combined. Set this aside until later use. Add 1½ cups of room temperature egg whites to a mixing bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and finally 1/3 cup of water. Begin whipping the egg whites on medium speed using the whisk attachment. Continue mixing until the egg whites reach a foamy consistency. Then slowly begin adding 1 cup of granulated sugar to the bowl while the mixer is still running. After all the sugar is added, increase the mixer speed to medium-high and continue whipping the egg whites until they reach a stiff peak. The whites will be glossy and won't flop over when the whisk is removed from the bowl. Add 1/3 of the flour and sugar mixture to the egg whites. Fold gently, taking care not to deflate the egg whites. Add the second third of the dry ingredients and repeat the folding process. Finally, fold in the remaining dry ingredients until well incorporated. To bake, use a 9-inch nonstick tube cake pan. Do not grease this pan. When the cake is baking, the batter needs to cling to the side of the pan, and any grease will prevent this from occurring. Gently spoon the cake batter into the pan so it is evenly distributed. After all the batter is added, bake the cake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. The cake will be well risen and will have a golden top. You can also check for doneness by inserting a thermometer into the center of the cake, and the internal temperature will read 200 degrees Fahrenheit when done. Once the cake is finished baking, immediately flip it over onto a wire cooling rack. Leave the pan on the cake and let it rest for 1 hour. After an hour, gently remove the pan from the cake. If the cake is sticking to the pan, run a sharp knife around the outside of the cake and try to remove again. Finally, place on a serving platter, slice, and enjoy. So that's all there is to it. This cake is delicious all on its own, or consider adding whipped cream, a lemon glaze, fresh fruit, whatever your heart desires. If you'd like a printable copy of the recipe, please visit the link below to go to my website. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Have a great day and enjoy your cake.